In this video, we'll see how to create these kind of animations with your renders or sketches in just a few seconds. Architectural image presentation is constantly changing and we need to adapt to it to keep up with the changing times. People have moved on to create some amazing animations of their renders, but if you're only able to make 2D renders, then don't worry, I have a little hack for you. I understand that making 2D renders by itself is a really tedious task, but with this little hack, you'll be able to add a bit of sense and motion into your renders. This will be highly helpful for your school presentations, client meetings, or for social media to make your design stand out. I am Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon for notification. So let's get started. First, we need to head over to this website called Leiapix Converter, which is convert.leiapix.com, and it'll take you to the home page. We will have to log into the website by creating an email ID and password or by using our Google account. Once you log in, you can upload your image and the upload option is on the top left corner. You will have to select the image from your local disk and wait for a few seconds. I'm uploading one of my digital illustrations of a coffee bar and let's see what it does. And there, the website automatically creates an animated video of the image. All it took was a few seconds to upload the image. And if you do want to edit the style of animation, you can still do that by using the tabs on the left corner. First, we have the animation length, under which we'll be able to change the duration of the animation. If we make the animation length too less, we can notice that the video looks a little wobbly. And also if we increase it too much, we notice that the animation is sparsely visible. So it's better to find a balance, so maybe 2 to 3 seconds would be a right number. The next column is animation style, and you can notice that the current video is already in a perspective style. We have different options to choose from this tab, like horizontal, wide circle, tall circle, and so on. The perspective is a new option on this website and it does a really good job. The next tab is called the amount of motion, and as it says, you can change the level of motion of the animation. If you choose more, you can notice that the video again looks a bit wobbly, so accordingly you'll have to adjust the animation length to have a balance between both of these. The next tab is the focal point, which chooses the point of focus around which the animation occurs. Right now for this sketch, I'm choosing to leave it at center since it's a symmetrically composed sketch. The next one is edge dilation, which lets the website choose the edges of the subject. The last tab is the advanced editor, and under this tab, we'll be able to make finer adjustments in the animation. We can make the animation move along the X, Y or Z axis by adjusting the sliders here if we do not want to use the preset animations provided. The phase X, Y and Z allows the animation to move around the diagonal axis. The next tab that we have is called depth map. Now if you don't know what a depth map is, it's a really simple concept. In the real world, we use measurements like feet and inches or meters to measure the distance between us and the object near us. Similarly, in the world of computer graphics, we use a measurement called depth map that will help us show the distance between us and the objects that we're seeing. So in a depth map, the objects which are closer to us are in white and objects which are going far away from the scene are in grey and black. This website automatically does a good job in giving the best depth map for the image. But if you still want to make any adjustments, you can do that from the column on the left side. Moving the slider to the left side gives you a black brush, meaning wherever you brush over it, the website takes the information that that specific part is far away in the image. Similarly, if you move the slider to the right side, you have a white brush which gives the information that the object is closer to the scene. You can adjust the size, hardness and opacity of the brush from the respective sliders below. You can preview the animation from the preview tab on the bottom, and once you're done, you just have to hit the save button. And this will be your final animation, and to save it to your local drive, you will have to hit the share button on the bottom left corner. This will open a pop-up tab, and in this tab, you have multiple options to download this video. You can download it as GIF or MP4 if you want to upload it to Facebook or Instagram, and you can also download it as a Facebook 3D to upload it into Facebook. And also the format of the image that you download is exactly the same as the image that you upload. So if you want a vertical image to upload for your Instagram reel, you just need to compose your image in a vertical format before uploading it into this website. I tried the same with another apartment render that I've done, and for this I retained the default settings that are provided in this website. And here's the result. So that was it from this video. I hope you found this to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't so I can keep making more awesome architectural content. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.